The power of pulses, harnessing legumes for protein production. Title: The power of pulses, harnessing legumes for protein production. Introduction. In a world facing numerous environmental and health challenges, finding sustainable sources of protein is essential. Pulses, which are a group of legumes that includes beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, offer a promising solution. These humble seeds have been consumed by civilizations for centuries, but their potential as a protein powerhouse is only just being fully realized. With their numerous nutritional benefits, low environmental impact, and versatility in various cuisines, pulses are emerging as a vital ingredient in addressing global protein needs. This article will explore the power of pulses and how they can be harnessed for protein production. 1. Nutritional profile and health benefits of pulses. Pulses are not only rich in protein, but they also possess an impressive array of vital nutrients. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. Additionally, they are low in fat and contain no cholesterol. This nutritional profile makes pulses ideal for maintaining a healthy diet and preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. Moreover, pulses have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes and aiding in weight management. 2. Pulses and sustainable agriculture. The cultivation of pulses promotes sustainable agricultural practices. These legumes have the unique ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen through a process known as nitrogen fixation. This process occurs when pulses form a symbiotic relationship with bacteria called rhizobia, which live in their root nodules. Nitrogen fixation not only enriches the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use, but it also reduces the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. Consequently, pulse crops require fewer inputs, reducing the environmental impact and optimizing resource management. 3. Climate change mitigation. Pulses offer significant benefits in mitigating the impact of climate change. As nitrogen-fixing crops, they reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers, which are energy-intensive and produce greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, pulses require less water compared to other protein sources like meat and dairy products. By incorporating pulses into our diets and agricultural practices, we can reduce our carbon footprint, conserve water resources, and contribute to a more sustainable future. 4. Versatility in culinary applications. One of the great advantages of pulses is their versatility in culinary applications. They can be used in various dishes, adding texture, flavor, and nutritional value. Pulses can be incorporated into salads, soups, stews, curries, spreads, and even desserts. Their ability to absorb and enhance the flavors of different spices and ingredients makes them a popular ingredient in many cuisines worldwide. With pulses, there is no shortage of delicious and healthy recipes to explore. 5. Addressing global protein needs. As our global population continues to grow, so does the demand for protein. Pulses present a sustainable and affordable solution to meet these protein needs. Not only are they cost-effective to produce, but they are also accessible to populations in developing countries where malnutrition is prevalent. By promoting pulse production and consumption, we can ensure food security and combat the challenges associated with protein deficiency. 6. The role of pulses in plant-based diets. The rise of plant-based diets has sparked interest in alternative protein sources, and pulses have become a staple in vegetarian and vegan lifestyles. pulses provide essential amino acids that are necessary for the synthesis of proteins, effectively replacing animal-based proteins. Their high protein content, combined with other nutrients, makes pulses an excellent choice for those seeking to reduce their meat consumption or eliminate animal products entirely. Furthermore, plant-based diets centered around pulses have been linked to lower risks of chronic diseases. 7. Innovations in pulse-based products. With the increasing demand for plant-based and sustainable alternatives, there has been a surge in innovations in pulse-based products. Companies are developing a wide range of pulse-based alternatives to traditional meat and dairy products, including burgers, sausages, milk, and even ice cream. These products not only provide a source of protein but also offer similar taste and texture experiences as their animal-based counterparts. By harnessing the power of pulses in these innovative products, we can cater to diverse dietary preferences while reducing the environmental impact associated with conventional protein sources. 8. Enhancing soil health. Apart from nitrogen fixation, pulses have additional benefits for soil health. Their deep root systems help improve soil structure, enhance water infiltration, and reduce erosion. By promoting a healthy soil ecosystem, pulses contribute to long-term agricultural sustainability. Furthermore, their ability to break disease cycles by suppressing certain pathogens makes them valuable rotational crops. Incorporating pulses into crop rotations can reduce the need for chemical pesticides and enhance overall crop yields. 9. Supporting small-scale farmers. Pulse production provides opportunities for small-scale farmers in both developed and developing countries. The relatively low input requirements and adaptable nature of pulses make them suitable for small-scale and resource-limited farming systems. By growing pulses, farmers can diversify their income and improve food security within their communities. Additionally, pulses can be easily stored and transported, providing economic stability for farmers in remote areas. 10. Research and development. Ongoing research and development efforts are crucial to fully harnessing the power of pulses for protein production. Investments in breeding programs aim to develop new varieties of pulses with improved yields, nutritional content, and disease resistance.